Figure I'd give you a little bonus footage. I'm way up on the elevator. It doesn't look that high, but it's high enough. It's high enough. That's my truck. I'm scared. I'm just trying to get you guys a shot. Things I do for you, huh? Well, let's see how it looks. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I just wanted to do a quick video for you here today about my 2003 6.0 Powerstroke F250 Lariat. I've had this truck for, I'm going to say, about 5 years. I bought it, for the most part, completely stock. The previous owner actually did the bulletproofing, and he did the ARP studs and EGR delete. Anything more than that, I don't remember what he did, to be honest, but I have not had to touch the motor, thankfully. But unfortunately for me, I have to sell it. So I figured today I better get a video of it, because hopefully this week it will have a new owner, because I bought the 6.7, so now this one has to go. But here's a quick overview of it. As I said, bought it completely stock, but I put a 6-inch Pro Comp lift in it. This is still a leaf spring truck, so yes, it rides like a truck that has 4 leaf springs. It is it's rough, but it looks cool, and I still do a ton of towing with it and everything, so I never had a problem. But to each their own. People say lifted trucks can't tow. They can tow just fine. I have 37-inch Federal Courageous. I hope I'm saying that right. MT tires, 37 by 12.5 by 20. And I used to have fuel hostage wheels, but those went to something else that I will be showing you very, very shortly, so stay tuned. But as of right now, to sell this thing, I have 20 by 12 negative 44 offset Moto Metal links, I believe they're called. I think they're called links. I wasn't a fan of the way the hubcap looked, so I just went ahead and pulled them off, and it made it look somewhat better. These are pretty cheap wheels, so I just put those on just so I can sell it, so I could use my other wheels for a different project. This bumper, when I got the truck, the bumper right here was creased. It was pushed back in. You can see where I actually hit the bedside right here and crinkled that a little bit. But I went ahead and I think I found it on Craigslist. I just found a newer, I think this is off of 05 or 6, something like that. Super Duty bumper, but it had the backup sensors in it. So I went ahead and bedlined this bumper because he had it painted red, so obviously that ain't gonna match anything on here, but he had it painted red, so I bedlined it, and I had some a set of red LEDs laying around, so I just tied those in. I pulled the sensor out of the plastic housing here. You can see this is just a plastic housing, and then I popped the sensor out and just glued an LED in between it. And I don't know, it looks kind of cool, I guess. But got aftermarket taillights, nothing crazy. Bushwhacker fender flares. That's pretty much it to this thing, but I'll fire it up. This is the 03, so it has the very, very obnoxious turbo. It's a little bit warm already, but just put brand new batteries in it because it didn't like the Wisconsin winter. So I had when I initially did the lift kit, I straight piped the exhaust as well, and I did it's a 4-inch straight pipe turbo back, and I did a axle dump with an MBRP, a 4 to 6 inch tip. But good old southeastern Wisconsin, I was at Walmart, and when I left Walmart, I no longer had my tip or my tailpipe. So someone decided to rob me of that. So it's been like that for a couple years now, and no one local to me can bend 4-inch pipe, and I didn't feel like spending a couple $100 to buy a new tailpipe, so I just left it the way it was. Tailgate was getting pretty rotted out, so I just bought some cheap ass tailgate net to get by for now. Like I said, I was selling it, so I didn't really care. I wasn't going to try to find a new tailgate or paint it or anything. It's cold out here. It sucks. But that's pretty much all there is to this thing. I'll rev it up a few times. I'll let you hear this puppy. Yes, the engine's warm. Don't worry about it. Warm enough anyway. So it's kind of all there is to show you on this thing. So now I guess let's have some fun. Okay. Well, I bet you heard the sweet burnout, but you didn't see it. I guess I gotta do another one now. Guess I gotta do another one. Doesn't look like I run you over. That's good news. Well, there you guys have it. It's my 2003 F-250 Lariat Powerstroke 6.0. First year of the 6.0. Yes, it already had head gaskets done already. I just wanted to have a little fun with it. And I don't know, hopefully this got some of the shots, but can never have too much fun on a farm. But stay tuned if you enjoyed this, if you want to see more. As you can see, I got plenty of projects laying around that are, I was gonna make them be a surprise, but I guess they're still kind of a surprise. So stay tuned, like, comment, smash that subscribe button. See y'all later.